right, so now we're moving on to the writing pro. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a sample, a sentence starter, and I'm going to give you a minute to process what I just told you. And after that process, I'm going to give you 3 minutes to just write a nice little passage about what I just said here. Guys, you have a pencil and 1 sheet of lined paper. Okay. I'm going to read you a story starter to you. You will have 1 minute to think about what you will write, and then 3 minutes to write a story. Okay, try your best to stay on topic. Use complete sentences and include as many details as you can. Okay, don't worry about spelling or punctuation right now. Just focus on your ideas. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here goes a short starter here. Okay, as soon as I opened the old notebook I found in the attic, I realized it wasn't an ordinary notebook. That's your starting point.
Okay.
Let me read it again.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, as soon as I opened the old notebook I found in the attic, I realized it wasn't an ordinary notebook. Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 minute to just think. Okay, 1 minute, just think about it. Okay, I'll read it again one more time. As soon as I opened the old notebook, okay, don't start writing it until I get it after the minute. I want you to think about it. As soon as I opened the old notebook I found in the attic, I realized it wasn't an ordinary notebook. Okay, think about it, 39 seconds. One more time. As soon as I opened the old notebook I found in the attic, I realized it wasn't an ordinary notebook. 15 seconds. And remember, you're gonna have 3 minutes to write
Whatever
comes to mind based off of that starting point there. Okay, let me set another timer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Begin. So now we got the last part here. This one is mathematics. Okay? Don't worry about it, stuff easy. Okay, I'll let you have that there as a reference point. Okay. We got 22 tasks we need to go through here. Okay. All right, we're gonna start with task 1. Okay, so task 1 is just mental counting. Okay, count out 8 items in your head and tell me where you're done.
Okay. Guitar, pencil, paper, cup, retainers, pizza, and pen and scissors.
Can you explain your thinking of the items that made you say the 8 items that made you say those items in particular?
Just so objects that are like around me right now.
Okay. All right. Task number 2. Okay, basic mental addition.
9.
Mental addition.
Oh.
Mental. Right. So that means not talking. So again, what is 3 plus 6 mentally? Okay. Do you have that number?
Yes.
Without telling me the answer, can you just tell me how mentally you came to that? What process did you go through to come to that answer mentally? What did you use?
What I use 6 guitar strings, and they imagine 3 more guitar strings.
Okay, and that's how you came to your answer?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Number 3, task 3. Okay, this again, mental addition, but bigger, larger numbers, okay? What is 9 plus 7? Okay, and once you got that figured out, can you explain how you worked it out? Again, take your time with thinking about that, right? 9 plus 7. And then again, can you explain how you worked it out? Go ahead, whenever you're ready, Tim.
Okay. I have, I imagine that I have 9 drumsticks, and I broke 1, so I bought another. I asked a fellow drummer if I could borrow like 7 more.
Okay. That's how you was able to work that one out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Task 4, visualize multiplication. Okay. Now, imagine a cafeteria with 6 rows of tables. Okay. Each row has 5 cups. How many cups do you have in total? This one you can say out loud. Maybe you can
30.
figure that out. 30. And how'd you figure that out? How'd you work that out?
There's 6 feet gives 6 rows, and I guess each of those rows there are 5 people in those rows because the cups.
Okay. Task 5, equal division. Let me see, this one's kind of blanking out a little bit. Let's see. Can't see it. See it? Probably the same one.
Yeah.
Let me grab my laptop. 1 second. See what this says. Or accuracy.
Looks like it does up to task 11, task 18.
Okay. Let me pull it up real quick. we'll come back to that one.
Let's go to the task.
Text says, okay, this one's subtract from context, okay? It says there were 55 ducks on a line, then 37 flew into a pond. How many ducks stay on the line? And this one you can tell me out loud.
Yeah.
So there were 55 ducks on the line, then 37 flew into a pond. How many ducks stayed on the line?
Can I have a scratch paper?
Nope, no paper.
Okay. I'm gonna say.
I forgot to say that. Yeah, no paper.
Oh.
No calculators, no nothing.
Gotcha. I'm gonna say 16.
16?
Yes.
Okay, and then how'd you come to that number? What did you do? How'd you process that?
I just took my time
Okay.
and imagine if I was using a paper in my head.
Okay. All right. Now we got division from context, okay? So George has 24 candies. He eats 2 candies a day. How many days until he finishes them all or finishes them? 24 candies, he eats 2 a day. How many days is it gonna take him to finish all the candy? How many days?
12.
Okay, how did you process that?
Because he said he eats 2 candies a day. 2 divided by 12, 24 is 12.
Task 8, fractions to a whole conversion, okay? Alex and his friends ate 12 slices of pizza. Each slice is 1/4 of a whole pizza. How many pieces did they eat?
3.
Okay, how'd you come to that?
Because he said 1/4, and 1/4 is 3.
Okay,
No. 4 divided by 12 is 3.
okay. All right, we got reverse addition. Okay, Jody now has $148 after earning $68 from babysitting. How much money did she have before she babysat? Let me read again.
80.
Okay, how'd you come to that?
Same as task 6, I use a imagination of paper in my head.
Task 10, multiplication in context. Okay, Zach has 8 packs of drinks. Each pack has 6 cans. How many cans is that? Let me read it again. So 8 packs of drinks. He has 8 packs.
36.
Okay. How'd you come to that?
I just added 6 plus 6 with the each.
Okay.
That's not a good answer, Jesus.
It's okay. We're gonna skip 11 since we can't see it. Task 12.
Sorry, man.
Sorry. Subtracted with Desmos. Maria downloaded 148 songs, okay? Now she has 176 total. How many did she have originally?
I'm gonna say 36.
Okay. How'd you come to that?
Simple subtraction.
Okay.
Yeah.
Task 13, multiplicative reasoning, okay? There are 40 squares in a chocolate bar. If you see 5 rows, how many rows are hidden?
three. It's three.
How'd you come to that?
Simple multiplication. Just have to think about it real quick.
Task 14, scaling multiplication, okay? Pete used 32 carrots to fill 4 bags. How many carrots will he need for 12 bags? You said 144?
Yes.
How'd you come to that?
Because 32 divided by 4 is 6. And no, that'll be.
So is it not 144?
No, I
Okay.
think it's 96.
96. How'd you come to that?
Oh, sorry, I really don't know, but I feel like it's the correct number.
Okay. All right. Task 15, decimal addition. Okay. Kate ran 4.3 kilometers on Monday and 5.15 kilometers on Tuesday. How far did she run in total?
9.18 kilometers.
9.18. How'd you come with that?
I just added the 2.
Okay. Task 16, multiplication with 2-digit numbers. Okay. There are 33 boxes. Okay. Each has 12 bottles of lemonade. How many bottles in total? Task 17, fractional reasoning. 20 children go to a county school. 3/5 of them ride the bus. How many ride the bus?
No, yeah, 6.
Skip 18, we'll go to 19. Division with remainders, okay? Robert needs 114 cans of soda. They're sold in packs of 6. How many packs should he buy? Test 20, comparing fractions. Okay, 3 boys share 2 pizzas. 8 girls share 6 pizzas. Who gets more pizza, 1 boy or 1 girl?
1 girl.
Okay, how'd you come to that?
Because there's more girls and there's more pizza.
Test 21. The hairdresser has 4.5 liters of shampoo. Each wash uses 0.375 liters. How many washes can they do?
Probably 6.
6. Why'd you come with that?
I have no idea.
And the last one, test 22, percentage calculation. Stan takes 40 shots and scores 32. What percentage of shots does he make?
It's 92%.
92. Okay, how'd you come up with that?
Because he takes 4 shots and only score at least 32, and that leaves like 8.
Okay. All right. Well, I thank you for allowing me to do this.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate it. Thank you. You have a good day. All right, go back, guys. Thank you, Turo. Appreciate you, man. Now, this should be exactly what you wanted. I'll just edit that.
I wanted to apologize.
No, you're good. I'll edit it in. 'Cause I gotta break it up by all 3 of the tests, so I'll edit it and edit all that extra
Got it.
stuff out. Thank you, though.
See you later, more.
You too, man. Thank you again.
Bye-bye.
I have a hall pass.
Yes. What, Cycle, right? Back to
Yeah, Sypel. SYPEL.
What time you got?
Time it's 2:25. Oh, hour. 8 hour.
8 hour, yeah. Today is the 15th.
Yeah. Tax return day. Woo.
Tax day. Yeah, I gave out chips today. I was like, who could tell me what tax day? Well, nobody got it right, so I didn't give no chips to nobody.